Bonjour, guys. Je m'appelle Anuj. Yes, my name is Anuj. Your dedicated guide for Curiositries French A1 level, A1 level course, A1 level course. Together, we will embark on an exciting journey through the French language, starting from the very beginning, and progressing to fluency. Well, Curiosity is your passport to immersive and enriching language learning. Uh, and we are dedicated to connecting learners with expert tutors and offering meticulously designed courses that cater to your language aspirations. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, Curiosity is here to empower you on a journey from fundamentals to fluency. With a practical approach and cultural context, Curiosity enables you to explore, communicate, and bridge cultures through language, fostering a more interconnected world. So, guys, join us for a thrilling language adventure. Over the next 25 sessions, we will delve into every facet of the French language, ensuring you have a strong foundation. Let's take a closer look at what we will be covering in each of these sessions. Bonjour, everyone. In this session, we will explore the beautiful world of French monuments and some iconic landmarks that tell the fascinating story of France. So grab your seats and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Not to forget, so obviously when you are in Paris, when the iconic landmark or our first stop is the symbol of France, which is the Eiffel Tower. And how you say Eiffel Tower in French, this is important. So remember, La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Standing tall in the heart of Paris, the city of lights, the Eiffel Tower is a masterpiece of iron craftsmanship. Built in 1899 for the World's Fair, it offers breathtaking views of the city. Imagine climbing to the top and seeing the enchanting landscape below. So do not miss Eiffel Tower, and obviously you are not going to miss if you are in Paris, you are in France. That's the first stop everybody would like to stop, basically. The next on our list, or on my list, is the Louvre Museum, Le Musée du Louvre, it's the world's largest art museum, guys, and a historic monument in Paris. Home to the famous painting, the Mona Lisa, and countless other treasures, the Louvre is a treasure for art and culture lovers, basically. It's like stepping into a time machine filled with stories from different eras, yes. So you can't miss Musée du Louvre in French. We call it Musée du Louvre, Louvre Museum in English. So this is the next iconic landmark or museum, I would say, and this is also the most visited museum of the world. Yes, it's the most visited museum in the world. So how can you miss that if you are in Paris? Now, not to miss the Notre Dame. Now, let's explore the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. This cathedral has witnessed centuries of history, though it suffered a tragic fire in 2019. Yeah. Like, this is the time I personally went to France and I saw. I didn't see the incident, but yes, after the incident I went and it was heartbroken, frankly. So efforts are underway to restore this historical monuments. It's mostly restored though, and in December 2024 it is set to open its doors again for the general public. Yes, so you can't miss Notre Dame if you are reaching after December 2024. Before that, it is closed, so you can plan accordingly. The Notre Dame is a testament to the resilience of the French heritage. Our journey takes us to Mont Saint-Michel. Now, the next iconic landmark or a monument, I would say, is a Mont Saint-Michel, a breathtaking island commune in Normandy. It's not in Paris. It's in Normandy, with its medieval architecture and stunning views. It looks like a fairy tale it looks like a fairy tale castle rising from the sea. So Mont Saint-Michel is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see destination for you or for anyone visiting France. So Normandy, that's how we say the commune in French. Okay, that's an area, that's a region kind of thing. So you can't miss that. Another in my list is Palace of Versailles. Palais de Versailles in French we say it, or in Francais we say, as French says, Palais de Versailles. So that's the next place which is in my list of must visit, or you must know about it. So it's heading southwest of France. Basically, we reach the opulent Palace of Versailles, once the royal residence of French kings. It is a marvel of grandeur and extravagance. The palace has stunning gardens you can't miss, and opulent halls give us a glimpse into the extravagant lifestyles of the French monarchy. Now, next big thing in France, or a symbol of French pride, is Arc de Triomphe. Yes, Arc de Triomphe. It's an iconic building, I would say. It's an iconic place to visit. Standing at the top of Champs-Élysées, this monument arc honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolution uh, and wars. The views from the top are absolutely spectacular, I must say. So you must visit Arc de Triomphe from the top, and you will love that. I'm sure you will love that. You can't afford to miss that. And here you have it. A glimpse into the enchanting world of French monuments. Each of these landmarks tells us a unique story about France's rich history and cultural heritage. I hope you have enjoyed this brief tour, and perhaps it has sparked your curiosity to explore these monuments in person one day. Well, merci. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And until next time, au revoir.